Hi. I'm Bubble Meowser. And today, I'm going to interrupt Giga Bowser Jr. and Giga Pom Pom's date at Golden Corral. Ha 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 ha.
At Golden Corral.
Wow, Giga Bowser Jr. Thank you so much for taking me out to this restaurant.
Hey, I thought it will be a perfect spot to have a romantic date.
Oh yes, this is a perfect spot. I love you, my hero.
I love you too, my princess. Now let's continue eating.
Okay.
Okay. Now here's my chance. Boo. You both are so stupid.
Oh my god. Dark Bubble Meowser. How dare you interrupt our date by scaring us and saying that we're stupid.
That's it. We are taking you to your parents.
At Dark Bubble Meowser's house.
So Dark Bubble Meowser. What did you do this time? Also, why is Giga Bowser Jr. and Giga Pom Pom in our house?
Well, Bubble Meowser, Bubble Cat Princess, and Bubble Meowser Jr. Me and Giga Pom Pom were having a good time together.
Then he came out of nowhere and saying we're stupid. Oh my god. Thanks for letting us know. You two are free to go.
Thanks.
Dark Bubble Meowser. How dare you interrupt Giga Bowser Jr. and Giga Pom Pom's date by scaring them and saying that they're stupid. You know that doing those actions like that is not very polite at all.
That's it, young man. You're grounded for 2 months.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
Wow.